Hey there guys, I want to show you how you can download some work so that you can work offline if you don't have internet access. So I'm going to assume that you have logged into your Gmail, and you know from Gmail you would then go to the apps and you would find, whoopsie, over here on this side, your Google Classroom. So I've already done that, and here I am in the Science Classroom. I encourage you to work from the middle tab that says Classwork. So there was this lab that was due. So what you can do is go ahead and open that up. It says view assignment, and then you'll open that up. And then it's going to give you the option to download it. And let me go here. All right, so it goes right here and it says download. And then from download, because this is a PowerPoint presentation, you're just going to hit download the PowerPoint. Now, if you're in a Chromebook, this will go right to your download files. So you will then just go to the bottom of your screen where the little circle in the corner, that's called your launcher. And you'll click on the launcher and you'll be able to find that. You'll be able to find the download that you just did. So then you can work on it, you can save it, and then when you get to internet, you'll be able to upload it. So that's one option for this particular assignment. Your other, I'm going back here to get to the other assignment, that was that lab. This particular assignment is all online, so you do need to have internet. This was something that you just needed to create a Google Doc for. So you could actually just go ahead and just save a Word document on your computer offline and then upload it. Okay, if you have any other questions, just let me know. All right, bye-bye.